What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sudi Tree, John Valencia. Welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga ka-18 and Stel Berries. Yes, dahil nga sa SB19, Stel has released his newest single entitled Crazy. And this is the official lyric video. So, magli-listening party tayo, guys, and let's gonna read some lyrics from the newest song of our love na si Stel. Grabe, naku, magpapakita kaya siya ng biceps. Charet, oo, lyric video lang, biceps agad, charet. And nirelease niya nga ito yesterday, guys. Nakita ko siya nag-live siya, tapos sabi niya wala siya nagawa, nakatulog siya, so hindi siya nakapag-live para i-promote ang kanyang launching yesterday, kaya siya nag-live today. But of course, dahil naman nalaman na natin ito, hinanap ko agad at syempre kailangan natin mapakinggan at mabasa ang mensahe ng bagong kantang ito dahil ito daw ay entitled Crazy para sa mga nabaliw sa pag-ibig. Tignan natin kung yan talaga ang mensahe ni Stel for today's video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Here it is, guys. Ay, may video! Lately. Oh, ganda talaga ng boses ni Stel. Grabe. Oh, slow, sultry song. Aww. First of all, guys, I love the beat of the song and the pacing nung lyrics and the melody is so good. Tapos kung yung lyrics talagang baliw na agad sa pag-ibig, hindi makatulog. Kasi pag sinarado ang mata, he's missing out a lot of things. Ganon pala ito ma-in love si Stel. Siya ba nagsunod ng kantang ito, guys? You can comment down below. At saka, based on experience kaya ito. Sarap ni Stel dun sa street, Sa US siguro ito na nag-Lollapalooza. Diba, tinignan ka lang na high ka sa pag-ibig, guys. Grabe talaga ang Stel. Charit. Gusto niyo yun, guys. Medyo mag-i-stop tayo kasi ang dami kong gusto sabihin. Charot. Grabe, naglasing-lasingan. I think I'm crazy for you. We are crazy for you, Stel. Charit. Ganda ng vocals. Eh. Oh my God, ang ganda ng song, guys. Oh my God, I'm so happy to hear Stel singing this kind of genre of music na original single niya. No? Oh my God, bagay sa vocal ni Stel. The styling, the vocal placement, and the dynamics. And of course, that golden voice of Stel. Wow, dying for a kiss. Diba? Ang cute is that? Ooh, I love that styling. Ay! May mga girls. Grabe yung message ng kanta, the way that you're crazy in love for someone. Iba yung mga pwede mong gawin, diba? Pagdating sa pag-ibig. And grabe ang ni Stel, yung kanyang storytelling, tapos yung sultry vibe nitong kanta na ito. It's like an R&B, modern R&B, EDM music kind of vibe. pogi ni Stell dun. Oh! Eh! Just no, I think I could get used to this. Diba? It's so easy to, jive. Oh. Diba? Napakadaling sabayan kasi it's relatable. Ah, gusto nyo yon? Ang cute ni Stella, parang bata. Parang... Whoa! Oh my God. Siyempre, meron tayong vocal flare and high notes na maririnig because this is Stell. Pero, para siyang ano ba to? Hollywood na mga recording vibe na talaga. Pang international talaga itong voice natin. Especially Style, love it. Doon tayo sa high notes. Whoa! Listen to that vocal flare. Yes, baby, I'm down. Oh, ganda. Love this refrain. Soft tone. Oh my God, ang ganda! Wow, I can't wait for the official music video, guys. By Stell, crazy! Love it. There you have it, guys. That is Stell for Crazy, the official lyric video na may semi-video dahil nandito siya sa video, guys. Ang cute ni Stell doon, no? Grabe, emote-emote lang siya. Lumalabas yung mga lyrics, ganyan. Tapos, lasing-lasingan effect. Doon, nafe-feel niya. Parang naririnig niya yung kanta habang nag-emote siya doon sa street. Sa US to, guys, do. Siguro nung nag-Lollapalooza sila, they made a shoot for this special lyric video. Grabe. Unang-una, ang sarap ni Stell sa video. Charet. Secondly, guys, I love the song. From the melody, the rhythm, the pacing. Iba yung, para siyang Ariana Grande vibe kind of love song na male version. And of course, by Stell. And the vocal of Stell. You know, the soothing high notes and vocal flair, he nailed it. And the lyrics of the song. Nakita nyo naman yung message ng song. How crazy the singer fall in love for this person. Kung, ano ba to? Based on experience or baka isa sa mga SB19, Chares, o kaya kaibigan ng Stell. O, kunento niya ba, guys? Kasi natapos yung live niya kasi pag sabi niya meron siya bagong kanta, search agad tayo para mapanood natin. But yes, this is a very good song. I'm so excited to see the official music video. Sana, sino kayo makakasama niya, no? Na maki-crazy siya in love. So, tignan natin sino ang magiging guest. May balita ba kayo, guys? Baka naman meron na kayong chika dyan. I-chika nyo na yan sa comment section. Let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Lacia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.